Right, so we are now in a Minecraft launcher. Just click, let's wait for it to install, to open. There you go. Starts opening. And as you can see, Minecraft is already, you can just play single player for the world. As you can see, it's, so what you want to do is click on options. And then, so the thing about Minecraft is, if you play online on servers, there are public servers, there are private servers. You might have a server with your friends and you're experiencing lag. One thing you start to consider is your connection. So check if your internet connection is already good. If not, maybe restart your router. Maybe check your connectivity. If that's fine, click online, see, find, browse news and invites on, allow server listings on. So what you want to do to make it not as laggy, go to video settings, right? And maybe make your graphics fast. Maybe lower your render distance a bit, maybe 8, right? Simulation distance, maybe lower it to 8.2. Turn VSync off. Turn smooth lighting off. Rebobbing is off because that's just, you're gonna, and clouds make it, fast, and then full screen, well, that's a thing. Particles, minimal, all, maybe minimal, so maybe mid. Do everything mid, right? So doing this, just click done, and you'll be able to play Minecraft with less lag or no lag at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.